a word by which Allah the Almighty, or for which Allah the Almighty created the creation and revealed the books and sent the messengers and created paradise and the hellfire. And due to this word, Allah the Almighty categorized people into believers and disbelievers, into pious and righteous, and into wicked and evil. What is this word? This word is the kalima, kalimatul tawheed, la ilaha illallah. There is no God truly worthy of being worshipped except Allah the Almighty. The greatest word, the most precious word, the most rewarding and virtuous of words to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This word was the first word that the messengers and the prophets called to.